Waxhaw Market update time. So it's fall and it's time for our market update. You may have heard on the news a lot of doom and gloom about what's going on in the real estate market, but I want to keep you updated on what's actually happening here in our local area. So in order to do that, I want to give you some context, and that involves some of the broader picture. So for years, we've been using the number that about 100 people move every day to the Charlotte region. 100 people. We've updated that recently, and we're up to about 156 people on average move to the Charlotte area every single day. It's hard to visualize that number, but that's a lot of people every day. In Union County, obviously that number is going to be smaller. So in Union County, that's about 10 people per day, or 3,600 people per year. It's still a huge number. And what that says to us is that there's a lot of buyers out there that are coming from somewhere else and that need a property here. And that gives us demand. So let's start our discussion about Union County numbers. So the first number I'm going to give you is the amount of homes listed for sale. So that's up year over year from the same time frame in last year, about 9%. The amount of closed homes are up as well, about 6%. So you may say, well, there's all this talk about we don't have as much inventory as we used to. We actually have more than we did last year, right? So our new listings are up and our closed sales are up. So that gives me the idea that we have more inventory. But prices are also going up. So our median price and our average price of homes that have sold have both gone up a little over 5% since the same time frame of last year. So prices are on the rise. Now let's break this down even further into Waxhaw numbers. So the amount of homes listed have gone up in Waxhaw as well, about 11%, and the amount of closed homes have also gone up about 14%. The median price and the average sales price has not gone up as much as it has in Union County overall. It's gone up 1% and a little over 2%, but they're still on the rise. So that still means that there's demand and there's people out there buying homes. So what do all these numbers mean to you? Overall, it means we have plenty of buyers still coming into our marketplace. We also have a good amount of inventory. And that inventory is not going in a day or two. Our average days on market is up over 50%. So we're averaging around 50 days on market. So that gives you plenty of time to be able to look at a house and really evaluate if that's what you want. What else does it mean? It means we have a lot of people sitting on the fence waiting for those interest rates to come down, which they may or may not, right? We've had a little small downturn of the interest rates in the last few days. But they're never going to come to those historic lows that we had previously. That was due to unusual circumstances. So there's a cost to waiting to buying that home, as we see, because the average and median prices of houses are still going up. So at some point, playing the waiting game is going to backfire on you. So if you're considering moving, you're not sure what you want to do, you want to talk over your options, see where you're at, I would love to talk to you. Always reach out to me. And until next time, watch, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.